All right, guys, so you've got a new sheet of paper. So as always, what you're going to do is take a ruler, put it right next to the page number. All right, so just right in the middle, line it up. And what you're going to do is apply pressure, pull the corner towards your left hand, applying pressure on your left hand, and then gently pull it down. It's going to cut it into. Now, it's very important that when you glue this in, so far we have double page glued in. But when you glue in this next page, you want to stay away from this margin right here, and you want to stay away from this margin right here. Okay, so you can put your paper as far as you can to the middle. Now, when you're using my glue, please use 4 small dots. What do I mean by that? Don't put them here, put them inside, very small dots, so that it doesn't smudge, just like that. And you do both at the same time. Small dots inside so it does not smudge, and then you glue your paper in. Do not glue it here because we are going to end up doing our tabs. All right, so this is your next double sheet of paper. And then for your table of contents, if you do not leave any pages here, that's okay. What you're going to do is you're going to grab a scratch sheet of paper. So if your very first page is this, okay, if it's not this, go ahead and copy this down in just a second. But if you did not leave any space, like you just started with this, what you're going to do is grab a scratch sheet of paper, cut it in half, use a ruler, press down, pull towards your hand, gently pull down. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick, we're going to, in case your writing is really big, you're only going to stick it on one side because we're going to end up making a few. All right, so you're going to kind of do that. So you're only going to stick it here on one side. So when you put in the dots, because this is scratch paper, there's writing on the side. All right, I'm going to put a small dot there, a small dot there. And then I'm going to glue it right here on the left-hand side. Now, the reason I didn't glue it here is in case you write really big and we need more than this space for the table of contents, we're going to be folding it over and we'll have another paper glued here. So if you didn't have space, you're gluing a scratch sheet of paper right here, and then you're copying down our table of contents. And I'm just going to quickly add some page numbers now that we do have page numbers. The exponential functions intro, that's going to be the very first page. That's going to be page 92. 93. So you can put that on your paper now. And then the one I just gave you, from a table is going to be 94. From a graph is going to be 95. And we're just going to be filling out our table of contents as we go. Let's practice.